The first annual United Pacific Show and Shine was a huge success. Over 100 of the classiest hot rods and muscle cars from around the Long Beach and Southern California area came to the United Pacific headquarters for an afternoon of cars, music, mingling, and good times. More than 1,500 attendees were counted, and those on hand were treated to one heck of a party. To kick off the festivities, Alex the Car Girl hit the high notes with a lovely rendition of the national anthem.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present Alex the Car Girl, and she's going to sing the national anthem for you, so remove your hat.
The Coast Guard did a flyby, and all throughout the afternoon, the Rafer brothers filled the air with their big band music. The famed LA Roadsters showed off an assortment of Model A's, Roadsters, and Coupes, and were on hand to generously donate $1,500 to the Long Beach Police Department charity. A number of wild rides came out to the first ever United Pacific Show and Shine, including the Seagrave fire truck owned by Richard Tupper. The show was put together with the help of Car Shows Unlimited, headed by Ron Olson, and the event was staffed by the Sultan's Car Club of Long Beach, California. Little Ray's Transport added some big style with his fleet of show-winning big rigs. A special part of our show was mixing custom big rigs with custom cars. The crowd loved it. It truly was a collection of the best cars and trucks in the area. Vendors like Edelbrock, Performance Plus, Coker Tires, and our good friends at Dan Fink Grills came out to support our event and meet with customers. Our Long Beach headquarters is also home to our production department for our all-steel 1932 5-window coupe. You can buy body panels from United Pacific authorized dealers or get a complete body shell assembled here at our headquarters. United Pacific has been in business for over 30 years, supplying restoration parts for antique cars, classic trucks, muscle cars, and hot rods, and has grown from a small operation 30 years ago to a major powerhouse in the commercial truck and classic car restoration market. And thanks to the hard work of everyone involved in this year's event, we're looking forward to doing it again next year. United Pacific.